Hello guys, welcome to the Global Online YouTube channel. I'm Arvind and in today's session we are diving into some crucial MCQs for the CTET 2024 exam. Whether you are just starting your CTET journey or looking to sharpen your skills, this video is packed with everything you need. I'll be going over each question with its correct answer followed by the clear explanation to help you understand the concepts better. So let's get started. Question is, arrange the following fuels in descending order based on their calorific values. Those fuels are methane, kerosene, ethanol and hydrogen. We have option 4123, 1234, 4213 and 4312. So guys, hydrogen has the highest calorific value among the given fuels, making it the most energy dense. Next is a methane followed by kerosene and then ethanol. The calorific value indicates how much energy is released during the complete combustion of a fuel. And hydrogen's high value makes it an efficient source of energy. So the correct answer among the option is option A, 4, 1, 2, 3. Guys, before moving forward, I would like to introduce Global Online's complete CTET 2024 course, covering all the subject with the full syllabus. You will get the access to video lectures and interactive live classes from expert educators. In this course, we have complete syllabus notes, topic-wise MCQs and mock tests to sharpen your skills. This course is made specially for CTET 2024 aspirants, giving you every tool you need for the success. For more details, contact us on WhatsApp on the given numbers, or you can simply download Global Online app from Play Store. Let's move on to the next question. What is the chemical formula of hydrochloric acid? Options are given: A, HCl, B, HF, option C, HNO3, option D, KCl. Friends, the chemical formula of hydrochloric acid is HCl. It is a strong acid formed when hydrogen chloride gas is dissolved in water. HF represents the hydrofluoric acid, HNO3 is a nitric acid and KCl is potassium chloride, which is a salt, not an acid. So the correct answer among the option will be option A, HCl. Let's move on to the next question. Acid always contains dash dash as an element. Options are given: oxygen, hydrogen, chlorine and carbon. So friends, acid always contains hydrogen as an element. In an acid, hydrogen ions, that is H plus R, released when it dissolved in water. This is a defining characteristic of acids. While oxygen is often present in acids, example is sulfuric acid and nitric acid, hydrogen is the key element that makes a substance acidic. So the correct option is option B, hydrogen. Let's move to the next question. What is the carat value of the purest gold? We have options here. Option A, 14, option B, 22, option C, 24 and option D, 34. So guys, the purest form of a gold is a 24 karat gold, which is 99.9% pure. Gold's purity is measured in carats, where 24 karat gold represents pure gold. 22 karat gold is slightly less pure and 14 karat gold has more alloy mixed in it. 34 karat does not apply as a standard for measuring gold purity. So the correct option will be option C, 24. Let's move to the next question. What is used in fluorescent tube? We have options: tungsten, helium, oxygen and mercury vapors. So guys, mercury vapor is used in fluorescent tubes. When electricity passes through the tube, it excited the mercury vapor inside, causing it to emit ultraviolet light. This ultraviolet light then interacts with the phosphorus coating inside the tube, producing visible light. Tungsten is used in incandescent bulb, while helium and oxygen are not used in fluorescent tubes. So the correct answer among the option will be option D, mercury vapors. Let's move to the next question. Dash dash is an alloy made from iron, chromium and nickel. We have options here. Option A, stainless steel, option B, steel, option C, brass and option D, bronze. So guys, stainless steel is an alloy made primarily from iron, chromium, nickel. It is known for its resistance to corrosion and staining. Steel is an alloy of iron, carbon, but it may not include chromium and nickel. Brass is an alloy of copper and zinc, while bronze is an alloy of copper and tin. So the correct answer among the option is option A, stainless steel. Let's move to the next question. Which of the following disease causes a destruction of red blood cells? We have options here. Option A, malaria, option B, cholera, option C, dysentery and option D, cancer. So guys, malaria is caused by the Plasmodium parasite, which infects and destroys red blood cells in the human body. This leads to symptoms such as fever, chills, anemia. Cholera primarily affects intestines, causing Diarrhea and dehydration, while dysentery involves inflammation of the intestine and does not destroy red blood cells. Cancer can affect various organs, but it does not specifically target red blood cells in the same way malaria does. So the correct answer among the option is option A, malaria. Let's move to the next question. Which of the following metal is used to make steel? We have options here. Option A, iron. Option B, copper. Option C, tin. And option D, manganese. Guys, steel is primarily made by alloying iron with carbon and sometimes other elements like manganese, chromium or nickel to enhance its properties. Copper and tin are used in production of alloy like brass and bronze, but not a steel. Manganese is often added to the steel as an alloying element, but it is not the primary metal used in its production. So the correct answer is option A, iron. Let's move to the next question. Which of the following disease is not contagious? We have options here. A, cholera. B, smallpox. C, plague. And D, cancer. So guys, cancer is a non-contagious disease. It is caused by uncontrolled cell growth in the body. On the other hand, cholera, smallpox and plague are infectious diseases caused by bacteria or viruses that can spread from person to person. So the correct answer among the option is option D, cancer. Let's move to the next question. Which of the following plays a role as a catalyst in rusting of iron? We have options here. Option A, oxygen. Option B, iron. Option C, nitrogen. And option D, humidity. So friends, the rusting of iron is a chemical reaction that occurs when iron reacts with oxygen and moisture from the environment. Oxygen and humidity are the key factors that facilitates the process of rusting. Iron itself does not act as a catalyst and nitrogen is not involved in the rusting process. So the correct answer among the option is option A, oxygen. So guys, that's all for today's session on CTET 2024. I hope you found the questions, answers and explanation helpful in your preparation. If you enjoyed this video and want more content like this, make sure to like, share and subscribe to the Global Online YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Keep practicing, keep learning, and together we will make sure you are ready to ace the CTET 2024. For any queries or more resources, feel free to connect with us through the details provided in the description below. Thank you for joining me today. Keep pushing forward. See you in the next session. Bye-bye.